Hi, this is Lab 1. In this course, we will discuss the comparison between observations and computational prediction for constant velocity motion. This comparison based on Newton's second law. We have here a clip for a piece of lemon on tracker. This moving on a steady horizontal surface. The mass of this object is equal to 0.28 kilogram in SI unit system, and the average diameter of this object is equal to 0.06 meter for calibration stick here as shown here. The center mass of this object is in the middle of it, and the origin is on the center mass, and the motion is to the leftward on the side of negative x-axis. The time interval here is 0.4 seconds. As you see here, the motion and the graph here as shown in tracker is approximately to linear, but for sure there is some difference because of some reasons in motion. It's not exactly motion on the x-axis, and it will have for sure some difference from the linear motion. This is table that tracker created for this motion. I have here the model on VPython for the same object we created here. I have defined some variables as lemon and lemon.m for mass equal to 0.8, and lemon.pose, it's referred to vector, it's as a vector for the initial position for this model. The lemon.velocity, it will be a vector for initial velocity for this model, and will be constant as we will see in the running file in the next. I have used a while loop t less than 0.4. the fnet here will be as a vector, it's equal to 0 because of the Newton's second law here. This part of course will be equal to 0, so we have to put here fnet equal to 0 since delta t is not equal to 0. If we run here this model, we will see the graph that's created here. Then I went to the Google Drive and created this sheet. First column, it's for t time, for both the experimental motion and the model motion. Here the object position for the experimental motion, here and here the third column for model position in the VPython. Then I have created this chart to compare the motion in both of experimental motion and model motion. The object line, the experimental line, is a blue one, and the model line is the red one. There's of course some difference here because of some reason that we mentioned before, such as the steady motion on the x-axis. It's not exactly from right to left. There is some difference. The shape of this lemon is playing some roles to in this deflection. This is the result of my experiment. Hope to be useful and good for you. Thank you.